easy course. This class introduces the student to Adobe Photoshop Elements, one of the most popular image creation and editing software applications available today. This class is designed to take a user with little to no knowledge of Photoshop Elements through the skills necessary to master the use of the Elements application. To that end, it's also an excellent tutorial for those users who are already familiar with Photoshop Elements but want to fill in the gaps in their knowledge of the program. Adobe Photoshop Elements is an excellent program to learn, as the skills, terms, and techniques that we learn and master in this program can also be used throughout the rest of the Adobe products. For example, after learning Photoshop Elements, you'll find it much easier to learn an application like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, PageMaker, and Dreamweaver. This class will start by introducing the student to the Photoshop Elements environment. We'll then introduce how to open and create images. After that, we'll look at the different types of color settings available in Photoshop Elements, why they're there, and what we can do to control them. We will then look at using brushes in our images and what we can do to control those settings. We then turn to making pixel-based selections and applying various fills, patterns, colors, strokes, and gradients to our pixel selections before advancing to the more advanced material. Now, the practice exercises throughout the manuals can be done on your own images, blank files you create, or by using any sample pictures that you may already have on your computer. Adobe Photoshop Elements is one of the most popular image creation and editing software applications on the market. Sometimes referred to as Photoshop Junior, Photoshop Elements contains just what it sounds like, many of the essential elements of the Adobe Photoshop application. Now, while it's true that Photoshop contains many additional features, Photoshop Elements has grown into a robust editing program in its own right. Now you can create, edit, and organize your digital images in ways you might never have imagined. You can remove flaws, add text, and make any other changes to your images to produce startling, professional final products. As you continue using Photoshop Elements, you might find some of the quick fix options perfect for your immediate needs without ever having to enter expert mode. Photoshop Elements also allows you to create photo albums, calendars, greeting cards, and postcards. So we really have a lot to learn. Whether you're a novice or a professional, Photoshop Elements provides you with many powerful tools to help you accomplish your various image creation and editing tasks.